Yeah. What was the last one? When you want success? Huh? As badly as? As badly as you need A. Who said that? Socrates. Can we have the lights on? Friends, I don't have much time because I think it's 11:55 and you guys have to go for lunch at 12:25 and 12:20 we need to close. I need to do a little bit. So this is just a demonstrative, interactive starting session. Keys Control Systems India Private Limited, we have 7 strategic business units. We call it as SBUs. So as an industry leaders today, I've come to introduce you to our strategic business units. Our first SBU is engineering. As I told you, we do the basic and detailed engineering. Sitting at Coimbatore, we design a plant that's happening in Yanbu, which is near Jeddah in Saudi Arabia, called Crystal Global, which manufactures titanium dioxide as world's #1 titanium dioxide manufacturers. And titanium dioxide is a base material for paints. So this is our first strategic business unit, basic and detailed engineering. If an engineer has to get it, engineer qualities na AutoCAD. AutoCAD is very important because engineering, single line diagram, a little more experience. Friends, what is it? This is why I showed you this clipping. All these guys were able to achieve. So that Paul Walt player you saw, he was able to go up to that height. Somebody asked him, how did you do it? You know what he said? I first threw my heart above the pole and then my body followed. I first threw my heart above that pole and then my body followed. What is the meaning? I had the will to do it. I threw my heart no, I had the will to do it. I decided that I will do it and I did it. So friends, in the engineering field enter you have to know a little bit extra. Romba easy trainer's term we call it as walking that extra mile. Walking that extra mile. Doing that little bit extra. Stretching yourself. Ooty, there are a lot of things popular in the season. One such popular event. Golf. Seasonal popularity. Horse racing. Horse racing, okay. Listen to this. Dog show is also popular. Or horse race nadakkudu. The commentator is telling it's a derby. It's a very prestigious race. And M.A.M. Ramaswamy, there are a lot of people who are present there because it's a very prestigious thing. Derby is a very prestigious thing. So the commentator is telling number 7, number 4, number 7, number 4, number 7, number 4, and then it's closing, they're coming close to the pole, they're going to finish up the line, it's number 7, it's number 7, no, it's 4, it's 7, it's 4. Oh, what is this? He stops there. Everybody is watching the TV commentary. They are able to see 2 horses, 7 and 4, approaching the closing line. Rendume correct close on the approach line la poradhu. But then who finished the race ingradhu yaraliyume judge panna mudiyala. The race is over. They are not able to announce the winner. Because what happens is horse races la neenga pathina and the line in the madiri irukudunaka, the first horse which would have either put not the leg, in the case la vandu its neck. In the line over neck, whose neck had crossed it, they would have been declared. So what they do is, avanga apdiye and the race eduthu thirupi rewind panni frame by frame move பண்றாங்க. Everybody is watching it. And the number 7 horse வந்து number 4 and number 7 are close to each other. ரெண்டு பேரோட legs same ஆ இருக்கு. ரெண்டு பேரோட necks same ஆ இருக்கு. Number 7 என்ன பண்ணுது? It stretches its neck. You know, we say animals are 5 ஐந்தறிவு பிராணிகள் சொல். What is the number? It's winning attitude, my dear friends. It's winning attitude. The horse has that winning attitude. What it does is, when both of them are together, it stretches his neck outside and then it's declared the winner. Number 7, chance illa. Number 7 is declared the winner, and number 4, because it remained in the same position, was losing. And what is the difference? Number 7 went on to gain about 35 lakhs of rupees as prize money and a big trophy, and the owner of the horse briefed the horse to the podium with completely decorated things, and the jockey is sitting on the top. The entire 30,000 crowd stands up and gives the horse a standing ovation, and the horse which failed to stretch its neck is in the stable eating the grass. Jockey sitting with his head down on one corner, and the owner already having left the place. My dear friends, this is true for all of us. We need to stretch ourselves at a point when it is required. Can you do it? Yes. Can you say, yes I will, yes I can? Yes. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's hear it very loud. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm able to hear the claps loud, but I'm not able to hear the words loud. Can we hear the words and the claps louder? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Friends, yeah, we can change doing that little extra bit. So if you want to get into a core company, I told you about engineering, you have to have certain qualities, get into this and try doing something extra. Yeah. Oh, this is working. Soft skills is one thing. Soft skills, communication is another thing. And apart from that, technical skills, knowing the knowledge, knowing the things, knowledge, and just to get to know a little bit of software and other things, it's another thing. And it's you who have to do it. Alright, so I quickly come to the other 6 SBUs. We have engineering, we have automation, where we deal with PLC, SCADA and DCS. We have trading. Trading means we do TKD cables. We are number 1 in the whole country. Then the 4th one is, and these days engineers do not take to sales profession, but believe me, my MD, myself and a lot of us, we entered the sales profession, worked in sales for 3 years and then came back to manufacturing or engineering as well. Sales is one profession where you have to sell yourself first. You can't sell the products without selling yourself. So customer has got to get the confidence that yes, this man is trustable, he is trustworthy. I can trust him, I can take his knowledge, I can take his wisdom, and then you sell the products. So I don't know how many of you would agree with me, but then it's totally up to you. That's also a wonderful career to prove a point to the world, yes I can. To prove to the world, yes I am capable. I don't know, but the girls in sales profession also are excelling these days. They sit at office and do a lot of work on sending the forefront soldiers, the sales executives, and they get it. Okay friends, so engineering, automation, trading. அடுத்த 4 SBUs வந்து manufacturing. நாங்க control panels manufacture பண்றோம். The 5th one is we are an EPC company. The 6th one is we are into generator manufacturing and generator sales. Powerall is our brand, Mahindra. And the 7th one is very important. We have Keys Control Systems Center for Learning. So I am now going to give you a feedback form. In the form I need your name, your mobile number and mail ID. Only for the reason, நாங்க இந்த மாதிரி courses PLC, AutoCAD, SCADA, DCS or Primavera, Intools and software courses conduct பண்ணும் பொழுது we sent bulk SMSs to the student community and we'll be able to take a maximum of 50 to 70 தான். Correct? But then we have tie-up with a lot of colleges. So on the point of time, if you can spare one day or a Saturday or a Sunday, unga convenient time, you can come and attend the course also. And we are also in the process of creating a student community. And the pathina information la unga mail ID liyo, unga SMSs liyo varum. And if you are joining the community, you will be eligible for so many programs in a year all through. All that is our own thing. But then my idea is, it's not us. You don't have to do with me. You can do it with anybody, but you have to do it. Like this horse which stretched its neck, you have to have something to prove to the world you are a little different. So because of paucity of time, first thing we'll do is, can someone help me? Just take out those forms and then quickly pass it on to a core industry like ours or anything about this short film. Anybody wants to talk? If I'm given an opportunity, I can make each one of you talk for an hour. You want to bet on it? But then I should have the time for it. And we should have it as a 4 or 5 day long session. Inshallah, we'll do that also sometime. Okay, now friends, look at one thing very clearly. Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
What I did to you today is motivation. You agree?
Yes, sir.
What I did to you today is motivation. But what you should get within you